goddess of love that you are. Surely you've seen me from up where you are. Send me a girl to cherish and hold, someone with laughter, heart pure as gold. Venus,
I've walked these lonely streets too long. Every jukebox love song reminds me of someone I never met. But I know she's out there somewhere, waiting to be found.
Venus, if you will, please send a girl who's true, one who will love me always like I would love her too.
I don't ask for diamonds or stars, just a smile, a hand in mine, and maybe someone who understands the music playing in my heart.
Venus, won't you hear this boy's plea? Bring her with kindness and bring her to me. She doesn't need riches or satin and lace, just warmth in her soul and joy in her face.
I see her sometimes in my dreams. We're dancing slow under the moonlight. She laughs and everything fades except her eyes.
Venus, if you will, please send a girl who's true, one who will love me always like I would love her too.
So I'll keep wishing, and maybe tomorrow night, when the stars are just right,
you'll bring her to me.